but this bottle tastes like 865-409. Yeah, this bottle tastes like 865. Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in. Blaze with Blaze Guitar Lessons. Please hit like and subscribe so you can get notified when I come up with new tutorials. This is how to play 865 by Morgan Wallen. It's a great song and it's a very easy song. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to play this song just with the chords and the strumming first, and then I'm going to show you how to play the intro part. I'm going to show you that at the end of the song, and because you can actually just play that throughout most of the song. So I'll just show you how to do that. But yeah, let me know if you guys have any questions or anything. So, and if you have any other song requests too, let me know. I'm trying to go through a bunch of the new Morgan Wallen album as I can. But so, yeah, let me know if you guys have any questions or anything. We'll get into it. So standard tuning, capo on the 1st fret. You're only going to use 4 chords for the song, okay? And you're going to use the same strumming pattern throughout the song. So what I'm going to do is show you the chords that you're going to use, the strumming pattern that you're going to use, and then I'm going to show you where you play the chords through the first verse, the chorus, and the bridge, and then I'll show you the picking pattern at the end, okay? So what you're going to do is you're going to start with G, all right? So just G like that. Now you can do this G as well. I'm just doing the G with my pinky on the E, a little E string on the 3rd fret in relation to the capo, ring finger on the 3rd fret on the big E in relation to the capo, and my middle finger goes on the 2nd fret on the A string, okay? So you do that, then you're also going to play E minor 7. So this is really easy transitions right here, okay? So because what you're going to do is you're going to take off your pinky and your ring finger, and all you're going to do is have your middle finger on the 2nd fret, okay, on the A string. That's it. That's E minor 7. You could do E minor as well, but I think it sounds better if you do E minor 7, okay? Then you're going to go to C, all right? C is pretty standard one. You guys should probably all know that, but ring finger on the 3rd fret on the A string, okay? Middle finger on the 2nd fret on the D string, and your pointer finger goes on the 1st fret on the B string, okay? And then you're also going to use D. All right, so D is going to be first pointer finger on the 2nd fret on the G string, okay? Then you're going to put your ring finger, okay, goes on the 3rd fret on the B string, and then your middle finger, okay, you can hear that goes on the little E string on the 2nd fret. And those are all in relation to the capo, okay? So the way that you start the song though is you're going to do G, so you're going to do G, then E minor 7, C, and start over G, E minor 7, C. Okay, so you do that, and you're going to do that for the intro and for the verses, and for a lot of the chorus, but not all of it, okay? So what you're going to do is, the strumming pattern is going to be down, down, up, down, 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 up. Okay, so you're just doing down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, down. Okay, now for the intro, you're going to play that through twice with no lyrics. You're just going to do G, E minor 7, C twice, okay? And you're going to play it fairly loudly, like I was just now. Then after you get through it, you're going to want to play it softer, okay? So when you get through the 2nd time, you'll do, and then you'll just do Jack D. Okay, so you're going to start with G, and you're just going to be, I would mainly try and pluck from D down, or strum from D down, okay? So D, G, B, and little E, okay? So if you do that, it'll give it a softer, lighter sound too. That way the song isn't as monotone, but you're going to do. Okay, so if you do that, it'll make it sound better. So real quick to walk you through where you play the chords, you're going to do G at the beginning, Jack D, there's a 7 on the label. Okay, then you do E minor 7 after label, 1 glass on the living, okay? Living is C, living room table. Okay, then you go back to G right after table. Phone face down, church up loud. Okay, then you do E minor 7 after loud. It's trying to drown you out. Okay, C is out tonight. Okay, then you do G after tonight. First sip, I could tell you, I could feel you on my shoulder. Okay, after shoulder, you do E minor 7. Tennessee, he had. Okay, had a C. Had me feeling colder. Okay, then you do G after colder. Thought a drink. Let's see. Thought a drink would get you off my mind. Okay, mind is E minor 7. Mind. But this bottle is C. Okay, bottle tastes like 8. Okay, then you're gonna go into the chorus. Now you're gonna start the chorus the same way. You're just gonna do it louder and hit all of the strings that you can. Start with the bass ones. Okay, the lower sounding notes. So you're gonna do 8, 6, 5, 4, 0, 9. Okay, so 9, so you start with G, and then on 9 is where you do E minor 7. 9, 10, 20. Okay, 20 is where you do C. 21, yeah, let's see. 21, yeah, 1. Okay, 1 is G. 1 last time, don't think twice. Okay, twice is E minor 7. Twice, girl, just pick. Okay, pick a C. Pick it up and come over. So this is where the first time you use D, okay, is on over. Over, keep the bedroom door a little close. Okay, when you do closure, you're gonna do E minor 7, but you're gonna do it for the first half of closure. Closure, no, I told you I wouldn't. Okay, I wouldn't to C. Wouldn't call and I tried, but this bottle tastes like 8. Okay, so then you're gonna do on 8, 6, 5 again, you're doing G. So you're doing it just like you did at the beginning now. You're doing G, E minor 7, C. 8, 6, 5, 4, 0, 9. Okay, 9 is where you do E minor 7, 9. Yeah, this bottle tastes, bottle. Okay, so on this bottle, you're gonna do C. Bottle tastes like 8, and then 8, you go back to G. 8, 6, 5, 4, 0, 9. 9 is where you do E minor 7 again. 9, 10, 21. Okay, 10, 21. 20 is where you do C. 21. And then you're gonna go right into the second verse, all right? You might think I don't really want it with me. Okay, so you're just gonna go right into the second verse, all right? So, it's very easy to play. Then I'll show you the bridge, and then I'll show you how you pick the end of the song. Or I'll show you how at the end how you pick the beginning of the song. So you're going to start on the bridge. You're going to do D. Okay, but you're going to do that same strumming pattern. Okay. Thought a drink would get you off my mind. Okay, mind is E minor 7. Mind. Then C. All right, right before I. I ain't saying I love you, but I might. After might, I would let it ring out. Might, cause this bottle tastes like 8. And then, so you don't say anything until from cause this bottle tastes like, and then you do G on 8, 6, 5. 8, 6, 5, 4, 0, 9, 10, 21, yeah, 1 last time. Don't think twice, girl, just pick it up and come over. Put the bedroom door a little closure. No, I told you I wouldn't call it, I tried. But this bottle tastes like 8, 6, 5, 4, 0, 9. Okay, you guys got it. So now I'm going to show you how you pick it, all right? So it's very easy. Remember, this is all in relation to the capo, okay? So I put my ring finger on just because it's easier, but you can do whatever finger you want. So you put it on the 3rd fret or on the big E string, okay? And you're going to do 1. So you're going to pluck it twice. And then you're going to do, so that's the E string. And then you do B, G, okay? And those are open. All right, so then you're gonna take your ring finger off and you're gonna do the E string again, the big E string, okay? But this time it's just open. You do that once, and then you're gonna put your ring finger or whatever finger you want on the 3rd fret of the A string and do that twice, and then do the same B, G, okay? Just like that, okay? And then you'll start over. Just like that, okay? You can work on the timing, make sure you listen to it and stuff, but it's really easy to play. That's a very simple way to play it and stuff, all right? So let me know if you guys have any questions or anything in the comments. Please hit like and subscribe, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.